Hello friends, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. Every student learns throughout the year, but only few students get good grades in exam because they revise the syllabus systematically in 1 or 2 days after studying everything throughout the year. Some students have already begun writing their exams, while others are still waiting for their exams. Let us talk about how to study during an exam. Just give me 4 to 5 minutes and I guarantee that your exam preparation will be excellent within these few minutes. During the exam, keep one thing in mind. As soon as your exam is over, go home. No paper discussion. Never ever think of that paper till all your exams get over. Nothing will help if you discuss past papers with friends. Instead, it will harm your mental stability. For example, if you were confident that your answer was correct, but after discussing it with friends, you discover that you made a silly error, you will be stressed. And when you sit at home to study, thinking about that silly mistake, because your mind will always lead you to believe that your answer is incorrect because of that silly mistake. However, if almost all of your answers are correct, you will be overconfident and will not take the next paper seriously. Why should we talk about the past? Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. Let us take today's gift and do our best for tomorrow. Well, why should we think about the past when we know we can't change what happened? Instead, I recommend that as soon as you get home, hand over your papers to your mother, including not only your question papers but also books on that subject. Because when you have a question paper and books with you, you are constantly thinking about cross-checking answers for that question paper. There are a few students who have the habit of calling their friends and asking how their papers went. I suggest you turn off your phone or give it to your mother or father until your exams are finished. I know it's very difficult, but if you want to score good marks, you need to sacrifice some of your habits for a few days. Now let me tell you how to prepare for your exam. After reaching your home, you feel tired and sleepy. Take a 1 hour nap. After that, get some fresh air and begin studying. Start with the small and easy chapters first. Try to finish your favorite and small chapters in the first 1 to 2 hours. The advantage of this is that you can easily finish your 40 to 50% of the syllabus. Then you will gain confidence. Whichever chapter you find difficult, study it the following morning because your efficiency is higher in the morning, where you can revise difficult chapters more systematically. Friends, please choose the best place to study where you won't be distracted by other things. Don't ever sit near a TV or phone because you want to watch TV or play a game. In this situation, I recommend that parents keep an eye on their children. Take all your books with you wherever you study so that you are not interrupted repeatedly. Also, keep a water bottle with you. When you are studying continuously during exam time, you may feel sleepy at times, so take a short break and listen to some soft and silent music for 5 to 10 minutes or drink tea or coffee. This will boost your new energy. Try to recall the most difficult topic while drinking tea or coffee. This will help you revise the topic and you will be stress-free. If you don't remember a topic, don't study it again. Instead, make a list of the points you don't remember and set aside 2 to 3 hours to carefully prepare yourself. Never study a new topic during an exam. If you do, you will forget both the new and old points you studied previously. Revise all your syllabus and topics once before 1 or 2 hours of your exam, so you have a fresh overview. Friends, one thing I want to say to you at the end is to believe in yourself and to be confident with good thought that I have prepared well for the exam and whatever I studied will come. Never ever forget to seek your parents' blessing before taking an exam, because their blessing is the most powerful in the world. It will increase your confidence in your exam. At last, I would like to Wish each and everyone who are taking part in exam. Thanks for joining Avitech Learn. Please subscribe, like the video and share the video. Thank you.